The procedure we're about to do today is known as deep brain stimulation. The surgery consists of putting 2 electrodes into a very specific, small, deep area of the brain. The way people describe it, it's like turning the clock back on my disease a number of years.
Alpha Omega is a medical device company. We have equipment that we use to implant electrodes in the brain to treat people who have neurological and psychiatric diseases. Dealing with the brain, you need to be very precise and you need to be in the right and exact point where you give the exact stimulation parameters. With Solid Edge, we created our flagship product, which we called the Neuro Omega. In this device, we have created all kinds of features that shortens a lot the time in the operation. One of the main challenges is to minimize the team. Because of the ease of use of the system and the different functionalities in it, 1 or 2 team players in the OR can do the whole operation. The system is used all over the world and we need to be able to ship the system in a very short time. Solid Edge could give us this ability to visualize how the system will look like, how the system will be produced, how the system could be serviced.
Solid Edge is all about user experience. It gives me the capacity to form compositions, create shapes, and design processes. This is why I personally chose Solid Edge. Here, I have knowledge, which is purely cultural, and by using Solid Edge, I'm able to implement it much faster. In traditional environments, the bottleneck of the entire process is not necessarily the engineer or the designer or the company, it's the software. This module that we delved into called synchronous technology allowed us to directly convert its benefits to time saved. We were able to play with the product design as if it was clay without wasting time, and time is very expensive when you are in the development phase. Whenever we wanted to change the concept, we would just enter into another environment in the software, perform the test, see where are the weak points, and immediately apply the changes to the design. We didn't need any external experts in order to identify these problems. The software is automatically connected to the production world. It makes sure that what we plan will be actually producible in the real world. I think that the product design best tells this story, from a lack of control for the doctor to being in full control. This is the subconscious message that the design conveys. We are here, we know what we're doing, and we will help you.
All the environment is much more user-friendly and moreover much fast. We are very happy about saving time for the patient using the new equipment.
There's a huge leap with this very new technology. Not just Parkinson's, but we can treat also depression, schizophrenia, Alzheimer, epilepsy. We'll be able to treat them in the very near future. This makes us very proud that we impact humanity.